Of course, we can work with random numbers and arrays, just like we could with Python. So here we are, we're going to have an array with 10. We're going to create an array with so many elements using the random array method. Well, that means we have to find our random array method, which is going to be, there it is. So we pass our size as an integer into here. We create a new random object, which is one way to do randomization in Java. So our random now has a big pile of numbers. We need our array to store those numbers. We're going to go through this to its length, which is 10. This sets our range of random int numbers from 1 to 99. We don't include 100. So random has a next int method. We put everything into here, and then we return the array, the entire array, and we put all the data into this guy. Well, let's see what it looks like. Oh, by the way, we're also using our print array method again that we did earlier. There we are. There is our random array right here. I don't know why my program is running so weird. Yeah, look at all that weird stuff showing up there. If anybody knows why it's doing that, let me know. Still doing the same thing. Anyway, the result is fine. We're getting an array that is randomly generated each time.